Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check for the software update of your JBL Endurance Race earbuds. So first of all, you have to select your JBL earbuds from the application, and then you have to scroll down all the way down and go to the support. You have to be also connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And the software function you can find right here. So as you can see in my case, it's version 5.5.0 and that's the latest update. So I'm basically up to date, right? But if you have like 5.4, you will get the information to click right here and basically follow the simple steps from this application to download the new software of your earbuds. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.